All right, we're here at Cam and we're doing a test run here on some detergent pods. We're putting 20 of them into a stand-up pouch with the Zipper Seal CR child-resistant zipper on the inside. So we'll show you this running. We've got our standard CR8 machine right here that goes round and around. We have our 14 head scale up top that's doing the measuring, weighing, counting down into each bag. Due to the lack of product, as usual, we are not running the large hopper that would normally hold the product. We also have the other design with the gentle handling, which would be more inclined to use for these detergent pods. We climb up our incline conveyor to the top of the scale, and again, this is all the product we have, so we're limited in it. And we're going to press go. 14 head dimpled scale, 1.6 liter buckets, I believe. And here we go. So we've got these little detergent pods set up here for testing. And what we do is we go to the count of 20 and then we drop them down into the bag below. So we just prime the system. And here we go. Pretty straightforward on the scale as usual. It's pretty humid in here today, but we'll be able to keep control of the pods and the counts. We pick up the bag, our traditional 8 station. So typically we would have a printer there, bag opening, confirmation that it's open, bag filling there. We have seal, which of course we don't do since we have limited product and limited bags. And then as usual, we fill up a turntable here with the product. And there you go. Another successful test by Cam.